On the News Hour tonight, I'm joined by Liaquat Shahwani and Ambassador Ali Sarwar Naqvi from Islamabad. This is a Pakistan versus Baluchistan debate. Only Pakistan versus Baluchistan. The brave Baluchis taking on Pakistan on our debate tonight. I'm also joined by Colonel Shafqat Saeed from Islamabad. I'm joined by Colonel Farooq Chima from Lahore, political and security analyst, representing the brave people of Baluchistan tonight. Founding chief of the Baluch Republican Army, Brahmda Bukti, whose application for asylum in India has reached the Ministry of Home Affairs today. And joining him from Geneva also is Behran Murray, who's Baluch representative to the UN Human Rights Commission. Tariq Fateh from Geneva tonight. This is a movement that is consolidating more and more every evening tonight. Ahmad Musti Khan from Washington. Along with him, the Voice, General Secretary of the Voice for Baluch Missing Persons, Farzana Majid Baloch, coming for the first time on News Hour, and Hamal Haider. Hamal Haider is from London tonight. He's the foreign spokesperson of the Baluch National Movement. Never before has there been such a get-together of brave and proud Baluchi leaders. And they are joining us from Washington, Geneva, and London tonight to take on the Pakistani point of view. And the founding chief of the Baluch Republican Party, Brahmda Bukti, is with us on the News Hour tonight from Geneva. Brahmda Bukti, congratulations, your asylum papers, Mr. Bukti, have reached the Ministry of Home Affairs in New Delhi. And I believe, and over 1 billion Indians believe, that you should not just be granted asylum, you should be given a hero's welcome, like our brother on Indian soil, because you are the voice.
Hero's welcome.
Because you are the welcome. Absolutely. Because you are the voice for all those people.
Thank you very much.
Who have been suffering under Pakistan army operations for the last so many years, and you are an inspiration for more people to come to our country. So, Brahmda Bukti, are you confident you will get the asylum? I am. Are you?
Definitely, I am very, very confident that something comes out very positive on the interest of both of us, India and Baloch people. So I am asking the Indian government to please grant me asylum, which is also interests of the Indian people and Indian government and the Baloch people and Balochistan. I am very hopeful. When I went to the consulate day before yesterday,
yes,
we were very welcomed, and the negotiations and the meeting, meeting, when I met with the respected officials there, so I was very encouraged, or I think is something very positive comes out.
You see, did you see Nawaz Sharif shuffling his feet, looking unsure and nervous at the UNGA?
Hear you properly.
Yes, sir, you are saying something, Mr. Shahwani? I have a question for you as well.
Arnab, I would like to say here, when a son goes to a mother's home, does the mother shut the door? The mother always welcomes the son. And so will India welcome our leader, Brahmda Bukti.
Absolutely.
I'm pretty sure he will get a hero's welcome in India.
Yes, I'm sure he will. I'm sure he will. A hero's welcome and a warm welcome.
Arnab, he won't be alone. This is Tariq Fateh here.
Yes, Tariq.
He won't be alone. There's a very large Baloch population that lives in the state of Gujarat and Maharashtra and even further down. Throughout history, the people of the coastal areas of Balochistan, especially Makran, have had a direct link.
In Makrani Para in Mumbai, my relatives are there.
Yes, I know. Plus, just a second. Ahmad, just a second. And he's not the only one. There are a large number of Baloch refugees who have taken refuge in India, coming from Kathmandu, coming from Nepal. And some of the Sindhi exiles have also joined them. I've met the children who go to school over there. Some of these people were poisoned by Pakistan ISI agents in Kathmandu, especially the Sindhi nationalists.
Yeah. Unfortunate. You know, Tariq Fateh, and I'm opening up the debate. But Brahmada Bukti, before I begin the debate, a question to you. Why do you think Nawaz Sharif did not mention the word Baluchistan? Why didn't he? बोला ही क्यों नहीं? बलूचिस्तान का नाम नहीं लिया उन्होंने, ऐसा करें?
सबसे पहले नवाज शरीफ
जी
जी जी आई थिंक कि नवाज शरीफ साहब को जो स्पीच दिया जाता है आर्मी की तरफ से वो वही पढ़ते हैं वहां पर. एंड द सेकंड थिंग, ये हिपोक्रेसी जो है पाकिस्तान की, दिस इज नॉट नाउ. ये आप अगर अगर थोड़ा पास्ट में देखें तो ये शुरू से ही यही करते आते हैं. दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कश्मीर, वहाँ का सेल्फ डिटर्मिनेशन, बट ऑन अदर हैंड इन बलूचिस्तान जहाँ पर लोग पिछले 50-60 सालों से वही डिमांड कर रहे हैं, तो वहाँ पर उन पर फौजी ऑपरेशन की जाती है. बलूचिस्तान में क्या हो रहा है
आज तो
उन्होंने कोई उस पर बात नहीं की. सिंध में क्या हो रहा है उन्होंने कोई उस पर बात नहीं की. व्हाट्स हैपनिंग ऑन द पीओके, व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन अफगानिस्तान, आप जाएं अफगानिस्तान में लोगों से पूछें कि यहाँ पर कौन आपके मुल्क को अनस्टेबल किया हुआ है. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट
माय क्वेश्चन इज,
वहां पर पब्लिक से पूछें, वो आपको बताएंगे.
नहीं बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. अब फारूक चीमा, लेट्स गेट द व्यू फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान. Farooq Chima, Colonel Farooq Chima, why did Nawaz Sharif not even mention the word Baluchistan even once when he spoke at the UN?
Because it's not part of Pakistan. Because it is not
because
part
it's not part of Pakistan? Yes, Tariq, go on. Yeah, what do you think, Colonel Farooq Chima? Why didn't he mention Baluchistan even once?
What was there to be mentioned?
What was there to be mentioned?
Every time Delhi, it is just like Delhi. You mention Delhi every time. It's just like that. Today, I was listening all what you were saying and all that. I don't know.
No, watch it. Please, 1 minute. Farzana Baluch is responding here to Colonel Farooq Chima. 1 minute. Farzana Baluch.
जिस तरह से जो है वहाँ पर जो है जिस तरह से पाकिस्तानी जो है पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस बलूचिस्तान में बलोच लोगों को जो है उठाकर लेकर जा रहे हैं, जो पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविस्ट्स हैं उनको जो है कत्ल किया जा रहा है. 20,000 से ज्यादा लोगों को जो है आप लोगों ने गायब किया है.
जी वो आपने, आप सुनेंगे
पिछले 7 सालों से, मेरा अपना भाई पिछले 7 सालों से आपकी हिरासत में है. आपने कभी हम लोगों को सुना है इस बारे में? कभी आप लोगों ने हमें जवाब दिया है क्यों हमारे ऊपर ये आप लोग हमारे ऊपर ये जुल्म कर रहे हो? हम लोग जो है पंजाबी नहीं है इसलिए हम पर ये जुल्म हो रहा है. 7 सालों से आपके सुप्रीम कोर्ट को हम लोगों ने नॉक किया है. वहां पर आपके जो है वहां पे जितने हाई कोर्ट्स हैं हम वहां पर भी जा चुके हैं, लेकिन क्या हम लोगों को क्या मिला वहां से? क्या मिला?
मोहम्मद खान
नहीं, सनाउल्लाह ज़हरी नहीं, वहाँ पर कई बहुत सारे जो है आपके गवर्नमेंट
वो कातिल हैं. He is a killer. Zahri is a killer.
Interior Minister.
Zahri is a killer.
Home Minister.
Zahri killed his own brother. You should be ashamed.
Why don't you tell him?
He is an ISI tout. He is an ISI puppet. No one in Balochistan likes him.
Now listen to me. First of all, tell me.
Zahri is a
what you have been
tout.
showing me was in 2014.
Who are you to talk on Balochistan? Mr. Chima, you should limit your politics to Chicha Watani. Gwadar is not Chicha Watani.
Just tell me one thing. Why you picked up this issue after 70 days?
You guys have killed. This my niece is sitting next to me. Her brother has been abducted June 8, 2009.
Please.
Where is Zakir Majid? Answer, where is Zakir Majid?
You have picked up this issue after
rotten army, jihadist army. You know what's happening here? We are going to declare you a terrorist state.
यहाँ पे कश्मीर की बात नहीं हो रही है.
What's it?
कश्मीर की बात नहीं हो रही है, बलूचिस्तान की बात हो रही है.
Now let me tell you, with the people that you are saying,
human rights violations की बात हो रही है, आप उसकी बात करें. आप क्यों जो है
First of all, do you know what is the Bugti?
कर रहे हो? क्यों?
They have got 4% of area of Balochistan. They have got only
कितने लोग आप
population
लोगों ने न्यू
and the
काहन में मारे
these
हैं? उनका
Raheja
जवाब दो आप।
Bugtis, to whom you have
5,000
got
से ज्यादा लोगों को आप
Bramda. They
लोगों
are
ने अपनी
the
कस्टडी में रहे हैं, उनका जवाब दो हमें।
They are the smallest tribe over there.
Right.
They
Right.
are not
1 minute.
there
Just 1
at
minute.
all.
Just 1 minute.
That's why
Just 1
this
minute.
man has
New
come
Kahan
On this
से डेरा
Pakistan
मुक्ति से
versus
लेकर
Baluchistan
और
debate tonight. 1 minute. Farzana ji. Farzana ji, 1 minute. Farzana ji, मेरी बात सुने 1 मिनट. मेरी बात सुने 1
Simple.
मिनट. मुझे बात सुनिए. ना कर्नल चीमा देखिए. ये जो आप कर
Colonel
रहे हैं.
Chima should know his pind. His pind is not Balochistan.
Just one minute. First of all, आप लोगों को हर वक्त दबा नहीं सकते. आप जो कर रहे हैं ये भी सब
Like you do in
दुनिया
Kashmir.
भर के लोग
कश्मीरियों की
देखें.
तरह.
आप मेरी बात सुनिए.
हाँ जी,
हम कह रहे हैं
कश्मीरियों की
आज,
तरह।
हम कह रहे हैं आपको कि हम बुक्ति को असाइलम दे,
मैं कह रहा हूं
तो
कश्मीर
सारी
में
दुनिया ये जानेगी ब्रह्मदा बुक्ति को अगर असाइलम दे, सारी दुनिया ये जानेगी. You are torturing the Baluchi people
Not a
with
single
chemical weapons.
word of Kashmiri has
You are
survived.
torturing. One
Pakistani
second. Just one minute.
Yes.
One minute.
Kashmiris.
Mehran Mari from Geneva.
Okay.
From Geneva, Mehran Mari wants to respond,
Go
and I
back
want
to your
Shafqat
Punjab.
Saeed to come in.
Get
Shafqat
lost.
Saeed and Mehran Mani. 1 second. Two people at a time. Shafqat Saeed and Mehran Mani. I say tonight, Mehran Mani, that people ask me why should the gentleman sitting to your left, Brahmda Bukti, be given asylum? And I say we should give him asylum for the simple reason that the world should know that the great democracy of India opens its doors and its hearts to people who have been witness to genocide and the torture that chemical weapons engineered by the Pakistani government on its own citizens. They have used chemical weapons in Balochistan, and you dare ask anyone today why we are standing with the Baluchi people, Shafqat Saeed? You're brutal, you use chemical weapons on your own people? No, they're not your people. You're surprised they've risen in revolt tonight? You're surprised today so many Baluchis come on the program and ask you questions that you lack the moral authority, Shafqat Saeed? Please don't shout, Farooq Chima. You can't stop this anymore. Brahmda Bukti will get asylum. And you will sit there and you will watch. Helplessly, you'll be able to do nothing. Shafqat Saeed. You understand, Shafqat Saeed?
What helplessly?
आपके कोई options नहीं है.
What do you mean by helplessly?
I'm saying that we will see Balochistan as a great and sovereign
नहीं आप बात किस तरह कर रहे हैं helplessly?
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि
आप अगर कमीज उतार के फिरना शुरू हो जाए तो you would say कि I'm helplessly. I'm watching you helplessly. You are roaming around without your shirt. Or if you put black ink on your face and you roam around, you would say कि you are watching me helplessly. Please do that. And you know that what grace he is going to gain in his own tribe by doing this. He has insulted himself by doing this. And I wanted him to insult himself. Yes.
where is one second. Where is Shahjahan?
Why should I be helpless?
Where
I
is
want
Shahjahan?
him to further insult himself.
ये
He is enemy
शाहजहां
of
का-
Pakistan.
शाहजहां का
He is
है।
enemy of Baloch people.
Shahjahan. Before you call Brahmda Bukti an enemy, Tariq Fateh is responding
Can I
to
just
you.
make a point?
Go ahead.
Enemy of
Go ahead.
Baloch.
Go ahead.
You know nothing.
Mehran Mari is responding to you.
All
Mehran Mari is
Pakistan
responding to you
versus
tonight.
Baloch.
Yes.
One second.
Yes.
What is Tariq Fateh's credential to be here? Now what is this turncoat credential here to be sitting in this debate?
I am your worst enemy.
Tariq Fateh is
I am
nobody.
your worst enemy and I'm coming for you. Colonel, we will
are the
get
worst
you.
enemy of God
and all
also.
the
You are the
bloodthirsty
worst enemy
people.
of patriotism.
We will avenge
You are the worst
Bangladesh
enemy of royalty. You are the worst
You
enemy of
shameless
dignity.
people.
You are the worst
Beghera.
enemy of manhood.
You are
shameless
the
man
enemy of your
who just
own
want to
mother
stay in the
tongue.
limelight, and you can turn naked and go to
Manhood.
any
What do you
petty
know about
standard.
manhood?
You can fall to
Come on.
a badge of
Unpar-
disgrace to
Jahil
stay in the
log.
limelight. Tariq Fateh, shame on you.
Oh, take it easy.
You are not a Baloch. Get out.
पागल हो गया. ठंडा पानी पियो.
Come on.
You
have no
will be
face to come
tried
and sit here and talk.
put in the same Lahore
You champion
court
of disgrace.
where you tortured and killed people. You
Come
will
on,
be
court.
imprisoned
What court?
in
You have no
Lahore court.
faith.
All
You
of
are
you,
a hungry
all
madman
of you,
who
Chimas
wants to
and
stay in the
Khajas
limelight
and
only.
Walaj and all you
be cheap.
imperialists.
You can be disgraceful to stay in the limelight.
Why not?
Get out.
Why not? I
You don't
escaped
talk to us.
Hell.
You're
I
not worth
escaped
talking to
hell,
Pakistani.
where you are in
I'm
prison.
a proud Pakistani.
And
I'm
your
a
war is
Pathan,
cornering
born
you.
in Quetta, and I'm a proud Pakistani.
There is
Look
no
at you,
such thing
bloody
as
turncoat.
Pakistan.
You ran
Pakistan,
away. You
Pakistan
fell
is an
to any
acronym.
disgrace.
Pakistan is a
you
state
even
of mind.
debate the Holy
And
Quran
its illness
just to
is
very well gain some
illustrated
cheap
in the way you
popularity.
talk.
Get out. Get out. You have no face.
Look at the way
You
you're...
What
can't
Holy
represent
Quran? You can't even
anybody.
read it.
That's your own
People like
Ammar
Can't even
Mustikhan,
read it.
Ammar Mustikhan,
You
look
don't
at
know
how
how
he
to
speaks.
open it.
Look at
You
how he
Shut
speaks.
up.
You have got
Look at-
no
You have
right
no
to
face
call
to talk
yourself
here.
Shahwani.
I'm talking
You are
to my own
bringing a
brothers,
bad
Baloch.
name to the Shahwani.
You get out here. You're a
You
turncoat.
are nothing. You are the army. You are the army's mole.
I'm proud
Nothing for
Pakistani.
Baloch people.
I'm
deserve to be an
faithful.
Indian
I
POW
own my
camp.
Quran and my God. I own my faith.
You will
I'm
be
not a
well-fed
chipster like
in
you
Indian POW
who debate
camp.
our prophet, who debate our religion just for cheap popularity.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Look at this.
What do you defend your
Look at
Now, why
the
is my
daughter of
telephone disconnected?
Balochistan. The daughter of
doing this.
Balochistan is sitting with us, and you are sitting with the
Now you have disconnected my
RBGHQ.
phone.
Not a single
should
Shahwani. Shahwanis will slap you.
32
Slap on you.
को बैंक दिया गया। आप शाहवानी साना संगत शाहवानी को कैसे भूल सकते हो शाहवानी?
हाँ,
Mr. Colonel Chima,
आपको शर्म है? आपको शर्म है?
Now I'm disconnected, and if you disconnect me again, I'm going to leave your program.
nobody is disconnecting you. You are the one who's not being able to hold up because you know why? You know why, Shafqat Saeed, you can't hold up? Because today,
होते तो बात और
नहीं आप बात सुनिए कर्नल फारूक चीमा, आज क्या हो रहा है आप सुनिए मेरी बात। ये जो हमारे प्रोग्राम में है, ब्रह्मदा बुख्ती, तारिक फतेह, मेहरान मारी, अहमर मुस्तिखान, फरजाना बलोच और हमाल हैदर, they are the proud leaders of the proud Baluchi people, and the Baluchi people have risen up against you. They are the representatives of a free people. They are the challengers for the Pakistani state. They will be a sovereign country. You can do nothing about it. Bangladesh is a sovereign country, and Balochistan is next. Balochistan is next. You can't stop it. You cannot stop it from happening. You insult.
Yesterday I was in New York, and the Prime Minister of Pakistan exposed himself in front of the whole wide world. Mr. Sharif called Burhan Wani a martyr.
He doesn't know how to
And
talk.
Burhan Wani
Bring some intellectuals
was
when you
a
want to
member
talk.
of a terrorist organization called Hizbul Mujahideen. I'm an American. I'm
And
offended.
your Prime Minister
How
was
come,
arrested
how come
man.
this Prime
He was
Minister
banned
comes
by
and
entry.
says
He was banned entry in
and says
America.
Burhan
Don't
Wani
you
is a
remember
martyr?
that? Don't you
Burhan
remember
Wani
that?
is a martyr.
हम अपने
You should be ashamed of yourself. You will not get a single
I know how do you
American
sort
dollar.
this American
Forget it.
citizenship. Should I expose you? You went there and you said that I'm a gay and I'm not acceptable in Pakistan.
I'm so happy.
And then you got
I'm
the
so
citizenship
happy.
of America.
I'm alive.
Shame on
The
you.
sun is shining.
You never went there
The
as a
sun is
Baloch.
bright.
You went
can
there
see the
as a-
American flag.
you said that
you
you
can
were
see
a
the American
homosexual
flag.
and therefore you
I
need
have been-
American
And I have been
citizenship.
in your
I know all
country.
about you.
I would have been
You are
dead.
also a
I would
chipster,
have been
another
dead.
chipster.
You should
And
be
you talk
ashamed
about
of
gays?
yourself. Get out of Balochistan. Get out of Balochistan. There's nothing for
बच्चाबाजी
you.
करने
I was
वाली
there
कौम
yesterday in front
बच्चाबाजी
of the
करते
United
साले
Nations.
मदरसों
I have
में।
seen
You have no
scores
face.
of my
You have
brothers,
no face. You don't
Indian
represent a
American
single
brothers,
Baloch. You are a
older,
disgrace yourself
younger.
to a Baloch.
They were with me. They were giving us respect. They were giving us love.
Oh, keep
You give
singing
us
Hari Ram,
killing.
Hari
You give
Modi.
us pain. You give us tears.
Keep singing
You have no
Bharat
right in
Mata.
Balochistan.
You have
Get
nothing of
out.
a Baloch in
Get
you.
out. I will say whatever I want. I will
I'm
say
a Baloch.
whatever I want.
I was born
You
in
get out
Quetta.
of Balochistan.
I'm a proud
Get out of
Pashtun.
Balochistan. You are not a Baloch. You are,
Look at that
you are a
turncoat.
black. You are
He's
a
a
black
Punjabi
mole
disgraceful.
of the army.
And he's speaking like a Baloch rights.
You even
He would
speak
do any
the
cheap
army's
thing to
language.
stay in
You are
limelight.
an army tout.
He's a
You
disgrace
are an
to
army
himself.
tout.
No,
you
one
should be ashamed of yourself.
No, one
the
second.
Shahwanis will take care
No,
of
no,
you.
one second,
The
one second,
Shahwanis
one
will take
second,
care of
one
you.
second, one second.
You
Can I
are
say
immune
something
to
here?
eating
One
free
second,
money.
Shafqat Saeed.
That has been denied
Shafqat
to you
Saeed.
without your-
Shafqat
not a
Saeed.
Shahwani.
Shafqat Saeed. Shafqat Saeed, 1 minute.
He kicked you out from this
Shafqat
area.
Saeed, listen
And
to
you
me
should
1
be ashamed
minute.
of
Listen to me,
it.
Shafqat Saeed, 1 minute.
One second.
What is wrong with being gay? You are ashamed of your identity. Nobody else is.
You bring chipsters on your
No,
program.
no, you are ashamed of your
qualified to be
identity.
anywhere.
You are ashamed of your identity. Ahmad Mustikhan is not.
You are so
Ahmad Mustikhan is not ashamed of his identity.
That you
Respond
depend
to
on
the
people
facts
like
of
Tariq
Balochistan. tonight. And if you cannot respond in Balochistan, say we have no facts at our disposal. And my question goes to Liaquat Shehwani and Ambassador Ali Sarwar Naqvi. Liaquat Shehwani and Ali Sarwar Naqvi. My question tonight is this. See, आप लोग इतने क्या कहते हैं बौखला गए ना.
Shut up, leave Balochistan.
Ali Sarwar Naqvi.
All kinds of personal
Ali Sarwar Naqvi, my question to you is, Ali Sarwar Naqvi, my question to you is, and then you respond, sir. Sir, today from Geneva, calm down please, and everyone. Today from Geneva, Brahamda Bukti is sitting with Mehran Mari. If I observe this debate, and I observe this debate in the course of the last 20 minutes, I see only 2 points, and please allow me to complete. I see that the Balochi people are speaking about the oppression in Balochistan. I see that the Balochi people are standing in support for this very dignified man called Brahamda Bukti, who's sitting in Geneva. He's listening to the rubbish, he's not responding. He is the voice of the Balochi people, and everyone today, everyone. Mehran Mari, Ahmar Mustikan, Farzana Baloch, the way she spoke, and Hamal Haider, who has not spoken yet, and you're still shouting, Colonel Chima. These people tonight, these people are speaking openly and without fear. Sir, my question to you is, sir, 1 minute, sir, 1 minute,
Yes.
sir, 1 minute, sir, please listen to me. Please listen to me.
All right.
You please
All
tell
right.
me. Tell me one thing. 2,000 word speech of Nawaz Sharif yesterday. Did he acknowledge the plight of the people living in Balochistan? 300,000 Shias, Zikris and Hindus have fled Balochistan. These are your Pakistan Human Rights Commission figures. 40 innocent residents and many women and children were hurt in the process. Should have been one word for Balochistan in his speech. Just one word. Is it asking for too much?
There cannot be any word about Balochistan.
Oh.
Just as there can be no word about frontier or about Punjab or about Sindh.
Okay.
Here we are not talking about Baloch problems. This is, you have created, concocted a program for supposed Balochi separatism. There is no such thing.
So there's no separatism.
Chief Minister of Balochistan.
So there's no separatism. Why do you call, what is separatism?
That Sanaullah Zahri said
what is separatism?
that only 1%. Now
What is separatist
only
about
it? 1%.
Ahmar Mustikhan, Ahmar.
In Balochistan.
I don't know. What is separatist about it?
Ask him.
Separatism. There is no separatist movement in Balochistan.
1%.
Right.
How can you say that?
We have never been part of Pakistan. We were never been part of Pakistan. How can there be a separatist movement?
Sake. And you are always pulling up all kinds of lies and accusations and allegations. This is
Lies!
not
Your country is a liar. Where was Bin Laden? Where was Bin Laden? Where was Ayman al-Zawahiri?
So,
5
don't
people,
bring
5
all these
people on the Rewards for Justice program.
What happens
the
in
US
India?
Rewards for Justice program.
What happens in India?
25
there are
million
many things that are wrong in India. My friends, you are beholden to India. And that is
Sirajuddin Haqqani, Hafiz Saeed, $10 million each on their head. What are you talking about? You are a terrorist state. You are bleeding Baloch every day. You are bleeding Kashmir. You are bleeding Afghanistan. Tell me. Why did you not do an environmental impact assessment?
Let's talk about Kashmir. If you talk about why should Nawaz Sharif talk about Balochistan?
So there is a video of Shah Jahan. I'll play the video on air. One second. I'll play the video on air. A simple question here. Colonel Chima, 1 minute. Colonel Chima, 1 minute. Just a bit. I want Hamal Haider to come in. Hamal, you're listening to this from London. Now, I have a video on air. In this video, there's a man called Shah Jahan. He's holding the leg of a corpse. He's surrounded by 3 Pakistan security personnel. Shah Jahan, as per my information, has been missing since then. Is it a relevant question or not, Hamal Haider, to ask where is Shah Jahan? And like Shah Jahan, hundreds of thousands of innocent Baloch who are victim to the despotic Pakistan security force, is it a legitimate question or not to ask where is Shah Jahan? Hamal.
It's absolutely a legitimate question. There are thousands of Baloch political activists who are missing, and they've been abducted by the Pakistani security forces. So I'm talking about myself. Around 20 my close friends have been abducted and killed. Kambar Chakar is one of them. He was an innocent student. He was the member of Baloch student organization. He was first abducted, put into a torture cell, then released and abducted again. And after 2 months, he was killed and his body was riddled with bullets. And his friend who was with him and the torture cell was later fortunately released and is in Switzerland. I mean, you can ask Mr. Colonel, where is Zakir Majid, the brother of Farzana Majid, who is sitting in this program? Where is he? He was abducted in 2009 and is still here.
There are one odd person.
One odd person. Where is Farzana's brother?
Listen to me. Who may be having grievances? Or they should come to us. We will
Jihadi Punjabis. Jihadi Punjabis lie so much.
We can always settle.
Jihadi Punjabis lie so much.
इतना झूठ नहीं बोलो जो हमसे गुजर रहा है, जो मेरे घर में गुजर रहा है, मुझे मालूम है, आपको मालूम नहीं है, आपको मालूम, आप जो है वो बिल्कुल आपका बच्चा गुम नहीं है, आपका जो है भाई गुम नहीं है, आपको जो है बिल्कुल महसूस नहीं कर सकते।
नहीं, सवाल पूछ रहे। Listen to फरजाना जी, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? मैं अर्नब गोस्वामी बोल रहा हूँ।
मैं पहले भी कह चुकी हूँ आपको कि मैं पागल नहीं हूँ कि मैं इस तरह से जो है भूख हड़ताल करती हूँ। साल में भूख हड़ताल पर बैठी रही। 3000 के करीब आपके मुल्क के जो है हर कोने पर मैं फिरी। मैं पागल नहीं थी। मेरा लख्त जिगर इस वक्त जो है गुम है। मैं जिस तरह से अपनी जिंदगी गुजार रही हूँ वो मुझे पता है।
Shame on you. Shame on the state of Pakistan. Down with Pakistan.
शर्म आनी चाहिए आपको।
It's a shame on India. It's shame on all those who went there and plugged themselves in it. You should be ashamed of it. These are the people who first killed them. You reject them, you misled them, and now you are telling us it is shame on India.
जिस तरह से हमारे साथ
Yes, India should be ashamed of it.
आप जो है उसको जुल्म को रोकने के बजाय, हमें इंसाफ देने के बजाय, आप जो है हम लोगों को डिस्करेज करते हो और जो है हमारी बातों को आप डिनाई करते हो। शर्म आनी चाहिए आपको। आप पाकिस्तान के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव नहीं हो। आप लोगों ने पाकिस्तान का नाम वायलेट करके रख दिया है। अब दुनिया में मेरे ख्याल में इसकी कोई अब जरूरत रही भी नहीं।
No need of Pakistan. No need.
I don't like these words.
जब पाकिस्तान में जो इस तरह से हमें खून के आंसू रुलाया जाता है, वहाँ पे फिर हमारी किस तरह से हमें इंसाफ दिया जाएगा? कैसे जो है वहाँ पे हमारा ख्याल रखा जाएगा?
You are suffering. You are.
फरजाना जी, मुझे तो एक मिनट,
Listen to me.
एक मिनट, please, show some respect to Farzana tonight. Show some respect to Farzana tonight.
हर साल जो
Show some respect to Farzana ji and Shafqat Saeed. Can I have both of them? One
आप
second.
जो है आप लोग हम पे जो गुजर रही है आप वो महसूस कर ही नहीं सकते।
फरजाना जी, आज जो ये प्रोग्राम जो है, ये प्रोग्राम जो है,
20,000 families, same way, 20,000 families.
Today this program is being broadcast in 85 countries around the world.
You are misled.
मैं पहले एक मिनट, आप पहले मेरी बात सुनिए। फरजाना जी, आप ज़रा आज बताइए, सबको बताइए और सबसे ज़्यादा कर्नल शफकात सईद को बताइए। मैं तो ये कह रहा हूँ कि पाकिस्तान को डिसमेंटल, I say dismantle Pakistan. I say tonight dismantle Pakistan and free the people of Balochistan.
Good.
I don't care whether this is politically incorrect. Dismantle Pakistan and free the people of Balochistan. My question tonight is this. My question tonight is this. My question. Liaquat Shehwani, one minute. Just a minute. Farzana जी, आप जरा बताइए कि आपके अपने
हमें हमारे हकूक चाहिए, हमें जो है हमारी आज़ादी चाहिए, हमें हमारे हकूक चाहिए, जहाँ पर हम सुख का सांस ले सके, जहाँ पे हम अपने रिश्तेदारों के साथ रह सके, जहाँ पे हम अपनी लोगों की बातें सुन सके, अपने लोगों के लिए कुछ कर सके। लेकिन बलूचिस्तान में आज क्या है? हम तरस रहे हैं अपनों के लिए। जो लापता है वो अपनी जगह पर, हम तरस रहे हैं अपनों से बात करने के लिए।
आप पे क्या
निकलो बाहर।
आप पे जो गुजरी है आप बताइए। आज लियाकत शेहवानी रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे। आपके फैमिली पे जो गुजरी है आप जरा आप हमारे सारे दर्शकों को बताइए, जितने व्यूअर्स हैं सबको बताइए, ताकि सब सारे लोग जान सके। और शहवानी जी, लियाकत शहवानी बैठे हैं इस्लामाबाद में, आपके बोलने के बाद वो रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे। बताइए आज इस्लामाबाद के लोगों को कि आप पर क्या गुजर रही है, आपके फैमिली के साथ कैसे हुआ है।
जब जो है 8 जून 2009 को जो है मेरे भाई को उसके 2 साथियों समेत मस्तूंग जो शावानी का इलाका है वहाँ से जो है उसके साथियों समेत उसको पाकिस्तानी इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी वाले उठाकर लेकर गए। उसके दोस्तों को जो है 10 मिनट में छोड़ दिया, लेकिन मेरे भाई को जो है अपने वीगो गाड़ी में उठाकर वो लेकर गए। और जहाँ पर लेकर गए मुझे आज तक कोई पता नहीं। मैं उस वक्त एक स्टूडेंट थी, मैं जो है हैरान हो गई। मुझे पता चला कि मेरे भाई को लेकर गए हैं, मेरा जो है गला खुश्क हो गया। मैं जो है उसी दिन से अपने भाई को जो है ढूंढने के लिए बाहर निकली और आज तक भी मैं अपने घर नहीं गई। मैं जो है बाहर हूँ। मेरी माँ वहाँ से वहाँ मेरी माँ पर जो गुजर रही है वो मुझे मालूम है। वो तो सदमे से मेरे ख्याल में अभी मरने वाली है, लेकिन जो है कर्नल चीमा को या शावानी को क्या एहसास। मैं एक जो है स्टूडेंट थी, मेरी अपनी एक नॉर्मल ज़िंदगी थी। मुझे ह्यूमन राइट्स एक्टिविस्ट भी आप लोगों के जुल्म की वजह से मैं बन गई। आज अगर मैं बलूचिस्तान में जो कुछ हो रहा है पाकिस्तानी फोर्सेस की जानिब से, वो भी मैं आप लोगों की वजह से बोल रही हूँ। अगर आज मैं बगावत करूँ भी, पाकिस्तान की फ़ौज ने जो हमारे साथ किया है, पाकिस्तानी इस्टेब्लिशमेंट जो बलूचिस्तान में कर रही है, आप लोगों के अपने करतूतों की वजह से अगर मैं बगावत करूँ भी, आपके करतूतों की वजह से मैं बगावत की बात करती हूँ। मैं क्या करूँ फिर? कुछ छोड़ा ही नहीं है हमारे लिए। हम किस तरह से अपनी जिंदगियां जिए वहां पर।
शहवानी जी,
the very fact that Mr. Shahwani is sitting in Islamabad,
Liaquat Shahwani,
it shows that he is not a Baloch.
No,
he is not a Baloch. He is sitting in Islamabad.
Liaquat Shahwani will respond.
The enemy's capital.
Mr. Shahwani, simple question and then you respond. Mr. Shahwani, ये बताइए आज फरजाना जी को बताइए कि उनके ब्रदर कहाँ हैं, उनके भाई कहाँ हैं, उनको बताइए आप, उनके भाई कहाँ हैं।
Well, Farzana, she has been in Pakistan for a long time. She was in Balochistan and she was a part of a camp, protesting camp of Mama Qadir E. And Mama Qadir and Farzana, they got visas and left Pakistan for America.
उनके भाई कहाँ हैं?
Mama Qadir came back to Pakistan, but Farzana did not come.
जवाब दीजिए, उनके भाई कहाँ हैं?
Now she is in America.
नहीं, फरजाना जी,
answer.
The timing is crucial.
Are you Shahwani? You are not Shahwani. You are not Shahwani.
Why you are asking this question today on this juncture when the CPAC is going to be done, when the Baloch people are waiting for a brighter future? Why India is making conspiracies? And today the Indian conspiracy has been unveiled. I was just thinking, who are behind these conspiracies? Who is the person who is not allowing the Baloch leadership in exile? And Dr. Malik Baloch, the former chief minister of Balochistan, who was engaged
Mr. Bari,
in peace and dialogue process, and India
what are you saying?
behind
Mr. Shahwani, you have got no words. You have got no words. Answer. Your friend Jamal Lango, your close friend.
I'm answering.
Please listen to me one point.
You are making
$7 million. $7 million
You are
cash.
worsening the case of Baloch and Balochistan.
How much did you get from that?
Shahwani, into the case of Balochistan to worsen the case of Baloch and Balochistan.
You are corrupt. You are not Shahwani. You are not Shahwani. I know.
These Baloch leadership, they were engaged in dialogue process with the government of Balochistan. And they were close to come to the dialogue.
Mr. Mari,
Shut up.
Did not craft itself conspiracies. Today these Baloch leadership was sitting in
Bisenjo is standing in his grave. Bisenjo is standing in his grave that you and army, as I doubt, is now saying that he belongs to National Party. Shame on him. Shame on the Hasil Bisenjo, the Khwaja Khairuddin of Balochistan.
Well, Hasil Bisenjo,
He allows you.
Shame on you. Ahmed Musliman, shame on you. Don't abuse the son of Baba Balochistan. Asim Buzenjo is the leader of Balochistan. Asim Buzenjo has got the mandate of Baloch people. National Party has got the mandate of Baloch people. Asim Buzenjo is today sitting in Balochistan. He is sitting in Balochistan and you don't dare come to Balochistan. You are sitting in America in air-conditioned room and you are talking in the right of for the right of Baloch people.
I was 11 years old when he came to our family home.
Asim Buzenjo is the leader of Balochistan. Dr. Malik Baloch is leader of Balochistan, and they are not stooges.
Sir, the point is this. I'd like to go to Brahmda Bukti and Mehran Mari, please. Brahmda Bukti and Mehran Mari, please. I'd like to go to these two gentlemen. Mr. Mari and Mehran Mufti, calm down. Mr. Mari and Brahmda Bukti, please, on the screen. Now, Mr. Mari and Brahmda Bukti.
Arnab, I just want to say one thing.
Boliye, Mr. Bukti.
Arnab, I just want to say one thing for 1 minute, that what you are doing with this Pakistani panelists, they are just wasting the time. अगर आप इनसे बार-बार भी पूछें, ये तो उसी ऑपरेशन या उसी कुश्त-खून में मुलविस हैं या उसको करने वालों के मुआवनकार हैं, सपोर्टर्स हैं, तो ये कभी नहीं बोलेंगे या उसका जवाब दे पाएंगे. ना ही नवाज शरीफ साहब या कोई और इनका नुमाइंदा कोई न्यूयॉर्क में बलूचिस्तान का नाम लेगा, क्योंकि वो तो खुद उसमें मुलविस हैं और वो पिछले कई सालों से इसी कोशिश में हैं कि किस तरह इसे छुपाया जाए. कोई इस पर बात नहीं करे, ना मीडिया, ना इंटरनेशनल मीडिया, NGOs, nobody is allowed in बलूचिस्तान. इनको बहुत बड़ा झटका लगा कि जब प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी साहब ने इस पर बात की. मोदी साहब ने कोई फौज तो नहीं भेजी बलूचिस्तान में या कोई इस तरह की एक्शन तो नहीं की कि जिसमें ये समझते हैं कि वो मुदाखलत कर रहे हैं. उन्होंने तो सिर्फ बात की. अगर बात की तो इसमें बुराई तो कोई भी नहीं है. ये सिर्फ उसको छुपाना चाहते हैं. आई थिंक वी ऑल नो कि
नहीं, वो आपका मेहमान था, घर का चौकीदार था आपका.
पाकिस्तान अफगानिस्तान में क्या कर रहा है,
नहीं, कुलभूषण सिंह यादव के बारे में क्या कहते हैं आप बुक्ति साहब?
पाकिस्तान पूरे दुनिया में क्या कर रहा है. अगर आप पूरे दुनिया में जितने टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटीज होते हैं, आप
कुलभूषण सिंह यादव की बात करें ना,
उनका लिंक
वो आप कहते हैं मोदी साहब से मुदाखलत नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो क्या करना है? छोटे खरीदने आया था,
जुड़ा होता है, पाकिस्तानी आर्मी से जुड़ा होता है. अभी ये तो जी बात करने
किसी से नहीं जुड़ा हुआ है. पाकिस्तान एक
आप सुन तो ले. शफकात सईद देखिए, ये दोनों सुन रहे थे. आप इतने नर्वस मत होइए. और मैं मेहरान मारी से पूछना चाहूंगा. मेहरान मारी, मेरा सवाल ये है कि अगर कल मेहरान मारी, माय क्वेश्चन टू यू इज, इफ ब्रह्मदा बुक्ति गेट्स asylum in India, how will it help people like Farzana Majid Baloch? Because her story is really sad. India's support and Brahmda Bukti getting asylum in India, how will it help people like Farzana Majid Baloch, who still doesn't know where her brother is? Mr. Mari.
India can't help it.
Mr. Mari, please. Mr. Mari.
It will really help a lot of Baloch, including Ms. Farzana, because this will set a precedent. For the first time, India will be doing the act of giving asylum to a prominent leader. And the ripple effect will be felt in Pakistan. As you can see, these Punjabi generals, I mean, don't you feel sorry for us that we are under their occupation?
Yes,
see, Pakistan is not a country. It's a bunch of goons. It's a gang of people. They were created by the British. And I think they've always been slaves and subservient to big powers. And unfortunately, they're trying to, there's like our cultural genocide is taking place because they have no culture of their own, their language of their own. Some Punjabi guy says, I am Baloch because मैं उधर stationed था. मतलब this is their mentality. हमको तो इनसे छुटकारा हासिल करना है. And anybody who's willing to help us, we will take the help. और very grateful कि इंडिया फ्रंट पे आ गए. जी एक आपने सवाल किया कि नवाज शरीफ क्यों खाली कश्मीर का बात करता है, बलूचिस्तान का नहीं करता है. ये पंजाबी इस्टेब्लिशमेंट और फौज एक्सपेंशनिस्ट है. ये तो कश्मीर पे कब्जा करना चाहते हैं. इंडिया अगर हमारे हकूक़ का बोल रहा है तो इंडिया नहीं बोल रहा कि मैं बलूचिस्तान पे कब्जा करूँगा. ये तो खाली अपना एक्सपेंशन के चक्कर में अफगानिस्तान में इन्होंने क्या अच्छा रोल किया. नो, दे वांट टू मेक अफगानिस्तान द 5th प्रोविंस. इन गरीबों ने, इनके बाप दादाओं ने ख्वाबों भी नहीं देखा था कि खुदा इनको कोई मुल्क गोरा बना के देगा. तो एंड दे नो यही मुल्क 71 में तो गया, अभी फिर से जा रहा है. तो इसीलिए चीख चिल्ला रहे हैं और बहुत परेशान हो रहे हैं मिस्कीन.
बिल्कुल.
मेहरान बलोच साहब, जिन जिन ने खुदा का नाम दिया था उनको खुदा ने इनाम दिया था, और इनाम था पाकिस्तान। ठीक है, और जहां तक वक्त जाएगा पाकिस्तान को आगे ही पाएगा।
कैम्ब्रिज में
ऐसे लोग जो पैसों के ऊपर पलते हैं वो रोते रह जाएंगे।
गौरव ने आपका मुल्क का नाम
आपने बड़ा गलत रास्ता चुना है, दुनिया और आखिरत दोनों का।
आप लोग
और आप बलोचों के नाम पे
जब बलूचिस्तान आजाद होगा ना, आप पंजाबी लोग
अपने अवाम को खो चुके
घास खाएंगे।
आप गए, आप गए, अभी आप गए, आपके भी रूट्स खत्म हो गए हैं। एंजॉय करें, दिल्ली में कोई दुकान खोल लें आप लोग, जेनेवा में कोई बार खोल लें, बलूचिस्तान में आपके कोई रूट्स नहीं है।
आपका तो बैग
बलोच आपको रिजेक्ट कर चुके हैं।
पैक करके पिंडी भेजेंगे।
आप आके देखें बलोच किस तरीके से
आजाद हो
14 अगस्त मनाते हैं।
आपको तो
ये बलूचिस्तान आजाद है, पूरा पाकिस्तान आजाद है।
रखे बेचारों के कैसे नहीं मनाएंगे?
तकलीफ ये है आपके मुंह को
में अपने गधों पे झंडा बांध के उनको घुमाते हैं शहरों में कि बलूचिस्तान में जलसा हो रहा है।
आप भाग गए हैं, आपको गलत आदत पड़ गई थी। मुशर्रफ ने जब आपके पैसे बंद किए और खुद लगाने शुरू किए,
मैसेज है पाकिस्तान के फौजियों के लिए। मैं आपको बोलूं,
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? अभी
चीन का दलाली छोड़ दें, चीन का सपोर्ट आपके साथ नहीं हो, हेलीकॉप्टर
निजाम हो चुका है,
टैंक छोड़ दो, मैं खुद ही आऊंगा बलूचिस्तान आप जैसे बुज़दिलों के साथ मुकाबला करने। आप लोग तो चीन के गोद में बैठ के, अमेरिका के गोद में बैठ के बलोचों को धमकी देते हैं। आप कम नस्ल लोग हैं, सब जानते हैं।
आप लोगों को जाना चाहिए।
आप वही बुज़दिल हैं जो 71 में आप लोगों का पतलून गीला हो गया जब हिंदुस्तान का फौज आपने देखा। हमको आंखें दिखाते हैं आप।
करता हूं जैसे आप लोग उसका हिस्सा नहीं होंगे।
71 भूल गया आप लोगों को, जनरल न्याजी भूल गया। ये मुशर्रफ जैसे 2 टके के माजर लाके हाथ उधर मुक्का दिखाते हैं। आप लोगों का औकात दुनिया को भी पता है, बलोचों को पता है। पहाड़ पे जो बलोच बैठे हैं उनको पता है कि आपके संतरियों का क्या हशर होता है वहां पर। जो बलोचों को वो पगड़ी देख के डरते हैं, बंदूक छोड़ दें।
कौन बलोच पगड़ी वाले हमारे साथ फौज में हैं? मेरी यूनिट में 15% से ज्यादा बलोच हैं। हालांकि बलोचों की आबादी
कब से आपने सिख रेजिमेंट
मेरे 4 स्टूडेंट्स बलोच थे। मरिया हमारे एसएसजी में दलेर ऑफिसर हैं। क्या बात कर रहे हो? जनीवा
अल्लाह माफ करे उसको जिसका उस्ताद आप जैसा बेवकूफ आदमी हो।
शेवानी उन्हीं में
और ये याद रखो, जहां तक वक्त जाएगा पाकिस्तान को आगे ही पाएगा।
इनको तो कॉमेडी रोल करना चाहिए।
आप रह गए हैं बाहर,
खाली तमाशा देके पाकिस्तान का वही हशर 71 में हुआ।
दलेरों का सासा है, ये शहीदों की अमानत है।
शफकात से कंट्रोल करें अपने आप को, कंट्रोल करें। देखिए लियाकत शेवानी
कैंप में रहे,
देखिए लियाकत शेवानी और एम्बेसडर नकवी। देखिए I'd say one thing. Today one thing is clear to me. One thing is clear to me. Shafkat Saeed, आप बेवजह I want to say one thing to लियाकत शेवानी।
पता नहीं किधर कर बांग्लादेश में शायद इनको असालम मिल जाए।
नहीं
जेल में डालेंगे।
सिर्फ ये बात है। Mehran and Bramda. The only thing to observe tonight is the fact that the Baluchi leaders on the program tonight are speaking with dignity, composure and clarity. And my Pakistani guests tonight, unfortunately Liaquat Shehwani and Ambassador Ali Sarwar Naqvi, you are losing your cool. The fact that you're losing your cool and the fact that Brahamda Bukti and Mehran Mari are speaking with such dignity shows that history is against you now.
Our reasonable and logical discussion. You have lost your own course.
On this debate, viewers, who won? Who won this debate?
Tribalism in Pakistan, the overwhelming majority of the Baloch people, they are in favor of democratic parliamentary democracy and federalism, devolution of power. Baloch people, every single constituency of Balochistan is filled with Baloch leadership of different parties. Baloch are the part of parliament of the Balochistan government. Balochistan is a part of bureaucracy. So,
well, Mr. Shehwani,
Baloch are
the
Mrs.
part
Shahwani,
of
at this point, I leave this question to the viewers tonight.
वो लोग का साथ दे रहे हैं, वो लोग जो एस्टेब्लिशमेंट में हैं, वो सिर्फ पार्लिमानी सियासत कर रहे हैं. जो आम लोग हैं, वो सब तंग आ चुके हैं आप लोगों के इस पार्लिमानी सियासत से.
India is fueling
वो
the
जो तंग आ
fire.
चुके हैं, आप
India is
बलूचिस्तान के
playing
आम
the
लोग
role
आपके पार्लिमानी सियासत से वो तंग आ चुके हैं.
plotter. India is doing
No
very
conspirator.
negative and wrong
No
job.
conspirator.
You are
No conspirator.
endangering-
You guys you are rotten eggs.
I thank you all. I thank you all, and I especially thank Brahmda Bukti, and I thank Mehran Mari. I thank all our panelists and Brahmda Bukti. We look forward to welcoming you like a hero on the streets of every Indian city. Thank you for joining us on the News Hour debate number 2 tonight. Thank you.